All right, all right, all right. Today is Sunday, December the 27th. It is 10:02 p.m. And y'all know what we're about to do. We're about to get into our weekly market forecast. And again, tonight is we're looking basically we're forming an analysis, or we're just trying to pick what direction, let's see which direction price may go across the different asset pairs that we're tracking. Those that's been following know that I have been looking at the AUD JPY. Matter of fact, I'll just bring up the watch list for you. The AUD JPY, which is the Aussie dollar, Japanese yen, Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar, Great British pound, Japanese yen, Great British pound, Canadian dollar, Great British pound, Australian dollar, and then we'll look at a little bit of gold and S&P just for a bonus. All right. Before we really jump into it, I just want to say, bear with me. I left my mouse at home, so I'm going to be maneuvering using my good old fingers today, which I haven't done in quite some time. All right. So again, y'all just kind of bear with me just a little bit, but we're going to go ahead and dive into this. I know it's not going to take us too long. We're going to start out with AUD JPY, Aussie dollar, Japanese yen, and always start off with our top-down analysis. Like always, we see that pretty much like we've been talking about, that 76 296 level held, and then also the 78 119 level also held. And we were saying that we got that break and that retest. All right, and those levels are indeed still holding. So with that being said, again, y'all, we could be like kind of at a low of this. Don't take my word all the way with this, but we could be kind of like at the low of the year, depending on how this goes. Very good position. And diving down into the weekly chart, we're seeing the same thing. That level is holding. But we do see that we could get. Am I not sharing my screen again? Can you not hear me?
Yeah, you good, D.
Okay, cool. All right, so yeah, that level, that 78, 877. I'm sorry, 78, 108. This level here is still holding. All right, but there is some room for it to retrace. All right, so just keep that in mind. We do see that we got that cross here on the daily, and the week also has started out with nice bullish momentum. One thing that I want to note is that I do believe that the coronavirus or pandemic relief bill or something like that is going down right now, and Trump has upped the basically each household, instead of getting 600, they should be getting around 2,000. So that's going to be something that you need to take a look at this week that could definitely stimulate the markets, as well as the Brexit deal that also went down. So this week can be very, very interesting, y'all. Very, very interesting. And that was really the news that we needed to kind of break these levels that we haven't been able to break over the last 3 years. I just keep diving down to the 4 hour. 4 hour.
Daryl.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yeah, this Dave. I don't think he signed the one that gave the larger amount.
I'm sorry?
I don't think the larger one that gives the 2,000 was signed. He signed the initial one.
Oh, okay. I was reading something just now and it literally just came out. I'll post the article, but I appreciate that. Right. But either way, there's a stimulus that has been signed, and either way, it's going to affect it's gonna be extra money that's gonna be flooding the market. So just be careful. Either way, I appreciate that, brother. Thank you. So so with that, again, we are in overbought territory on AUDJPY, but again, these levels are holding. I'm not going to be looking for any sales, all right, unless really we end up breaking this 78.527 level. All right, then I'll be looking at some sales. But unless we break that, which we'll have to have an engulfing candle, bearish red engulfing candle, that's going to be bigger than the last, 4 to 8 hours, okay, going down. But we're really looking for this level to hold. As a matter of fact, let me mark that down. Horizontal line. All right, we'll put it right there. That's our new level of support that we want to see hold. All right, and if you're taking a look at this, it does look like that. Again, that is kind of like a break in a retest. All right, just keep that in mind. 2 hour, we're getting across. All right, 2 hour, we're getting across. So based on what I'm seeing right now, it looks like we're going to have a bullish day on AUDJPY. All right, and as we know, these assets or these pairs, I mean, they pretty much mimic each other. All right, so we should look to see that. We should see that they're going to be following each other like usual. So, but don't take my word for it. Sometimes they don't, right? Rare times. So we want to be aware of that. And again, we're on Aussie Canadian dollar now. We still got on the monthly chart. We got that break in the retest. Bullish month all the way. Weekly chart, same thing. There's a lot of bullish momentum. We are in overbought territory, but again, we know we got that break and that retest. Even on the daily, we got that break and we have this retest. All right, let's go ahead and mark that level off as well. Let's go to our horizontal line. All right, it's really for me this level right here that I'm looking at. I want to see that level hold. Sorry, I don't know how to get that out of there. Okay, but if we get engulfing on that daily, again, we want to scrap that 4 hour. Yeah, this is a much better view. Okay, let's go. We got look like we got another level here. Boom. All right, so we want to see this 0.97625 level hold. All right, that level holds. Again, I mean, we're looking at a bullish start to the week. Okay, even go down to the intraday 2 hour. And again, we have a cross with that bullish momentum. All right. So again, both AUDJPY and AUD-CAD, it appears to be that we're starting off bullish. All right. And by the way, the last trading ideas that we posted, basically are still in motion. Let me see if I'm not mistaken. My ideas. Let's go to Aussie CAD. All right. I don't think this was the one. Yeah, that one's over. They all may be over. Sorry that I'm whispering, y'all, but I'm at my in-laws' house, still celebrating the holidays. So I'm trying to keep my voice down. Yeah, that one's over. So, I mean, pretty much it's just a continuation, bullish continuation. Let's keep diving into it. And we're going to go to the Great British Pound, Japanese yen. All right. And let's close this out. Let's get rid of this. All right. Move. All right. I don't want to short y'all, so start out. Notice I'm doing the same thing over and over again. Even though I do understand that these assets, these pairs, they move together, I just still check. And on the monthly, we got that cross, right? We got the cross in the monthly. This month has overall been bullish. On the weekly, we are right now just breaking that overbought territory. All right. The daily, we have a lot of bullish momentum. We do look like we broke a level of resistance or a ceiling. Really, like, I would say like right there. Yeah. We do have a little bit of room for retracement. When I say retracement, I mean to come back down. So just be aware of that. 4 hour, we are in a no trade zone on the 4 hour. Losing a little bit of momentum, but it is leveling out here. Looking at the stochastic. Let's go to the 2 hour. 2 hour, we are in oversold territory. All right, so that's just kind of confirming that this could overall be a bullish day, opening up bullish. We're in oversold on the intraday, and we got that cross. So basically, if price breaks this level, 145.65, you're definitely looking for that bullish continuation. Bullish mean buy for our new people. All right. Let's go to Canadian, Great British Pound Canadian now. Even though we know that they're going to be mimicking each other, still going to back out. Monthly, the month is overall been bullish. We're in the no trade zone, but it does look like we're getting a little, look like that bearish momentum is kind of wearing out. All right, but just be aware that there is some bearish momentum, bullish. All right, on the weekly, we see we got a lot of bullish momentum on the weekly chart. All right, and you know, we kind of in between. Y'all know, y'all see the levels. It's okay, but go to the daily. All right, so the daily, we got a little cross there. All right, so we want to see this. We want to see this level hold. I'm looking for it. I don't quite see it. Mm-hmm. All right, I think I like that. Ooh. I think I like it up in here. All right. Yeah. So that's our key level. So again, we're not looking for any sales, any real bearish moves, unless that we get a huge bearish candle. 4 hour basically in oversold territory. All right, we want to see this level hold here. Go out, get another horizontal line. Want to see this level hold. This level is 1.74137. All right. And we already saw in the 2 hour we got that cross, and it does look like you know, we should get that bullish momentum that we're looking for. Just confirming again on GBP CAD that this looks like it's going to be an overall bullish start to the week, at least. All right. And then we'll go to GBP AUD. We do know that out of all the ones that we are looking at, this one seems to have its own line from time to time, or at least more frequently. All right, so we definitely want to take a look at this one. Close eye. Sorry, y'all. Monthly. All right. So the monthly is saying that we're in oversold territory. All right. But taking a look at it, y'all, I do see that little cross going on right there. I don't like it. I don't like that one. Always do this. There we go. All right, there we go. Just look at the weekly. All right, that looks much better. The weekly is saying that we're in oversold territory. We got that little bend that we would like to see. The daily. All right. Let's see the levels on the mock off right there. On the 4 hour, dude. 4 hour, I see this level consolidation. We don't want to see that level break right there. All right, we don't want to see that break. We want to see this level 1.77773 hold. All right, just to confirm that analysis for the start of a bullish week. The 2 hour, again, we're in that oversold territory, but I don't like that. I do not like that. All right. So if you was to get in something tonight, which again, the purpose of this is not to jump in something tonight, but just get an overall view of where we think price is headed for the week. GA would probably be the one that I may leave alone. All right. But also could be very rewarding as well if this does continue to go bullish. All right. You can put your phone on mute. I hear somebody trying to get me. All right. And then we have gold. Gold started off really well to start the week. As you can see, the last 4 hours it's been booming off. I actually gave you my 5% on the gate. I got stuck holding that over the weekend, but it was a risk that paid off this time. All right. So monthly, we're almost in that, all the way in oversold territory. All right. Coming off some bearish momentum. The weekly, we are in the no trade zone as far as holding for weeks and weeks, but there is a lot of bullish momentum going on gold right now. On the daily, we see the same thing. It appears that this level is held, which is this 1855 level. All right. And remember, we're always looking left and reading left, predicting right. And this long body candle is like really talking to me. And I would not be surprised to see price get all the way up to this 1955 level. All right. At least within the next couple of days, it could be even bigger than that. And what we've known is that the gold also kind of follows the same direction as these other pairs that we're looking at. And then we'll take a look at the S&P 500, and we see that it's also in that oversold territory. And it looks like we have a lot of room to the upside, and we're starting off the week, all right, quite bullish. and we could hope or to continue to see that play out for the next couple of days. All right. So overall, y'all, we're looking at another bullish week across the board that I see. Unless again something major happens, which again some news came out this week. We just talked about the Brexit news, which definitely 100% is going to affect the Great British Pound, hopefully in a positive way. There's a lot of investors that, from different calls and things that I've been looking at with big time money has been talking about not trading the US dollar and things like that and investing into the Aussie dollar. So again, you should be able to, there's going to be different assets that's going to be affected, period, good and bad. All right. Do we absolutely know what direction? No. All right. But again, just be cautious. Be cautious this week. And, but based on the technical analysis, all right, leaving the fundamentals alone, this just looks like another bullish week. All right. So with that being said, y'all, I appreciate y'all for logging on. I will take questions really quick. Normally I don't. But if you have any questions, now is the time to ask me. Tomorrow morning, I'm really not sure if I'm going to be on live. It's going to be, what time you gotta go in tomorrow? Okay. So tomorrow morning, I'm not really sure if I'm going to go live, to be honest with you. It's a hospital day here. It's all good. Everything's okay. Just routine appointment. But we may. So just be on the lookout for that. I'll definitely post my ideas. Do we have any questions? Going once? Got any questions? Going twice? All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all for logging on this call. This webinar is officially over. It will be recorded and posted into the group for playback. Y'all have a good one.